full pass or no full pass. Pick the left lane for full pass, right lane for no full pass. All my people that's watching on TikTok that want to see it in HD, widescreen, y'all check out my YouTube channel, Lookout Racing. TikTok thinking a full pass, y'all. He broke loose quick. What about this car?
Alrighty guys, coming up next we have a fuel injected roll cage with one seat and a lot of nitrous, guys. This thing is
I'm next, I'm pulling out. I'm ready. Yeah, you come. Stay. Okay, Limpy, we about to pull up. We about to do it. All right, I got the left line. We're finna stop. All my people that want to. Full pass or no full pass, y'all. You need to go and stop buffering. Rapid transit, I would bet you, boy. Rapid transit want to bet $50 if he hit a full pass. I kind of want to bet. I kind of want to bet he don't. Here we go. Here we go. Oh! What I tell you? What I tell you? What I tell you? I would have knocked rapids off. Excuse me. Yeah, let me see. Hey, Diamond, you gonna record when we run? Right here. Yeah, we gonna run that truck. We're gonna run that truck. I'm just finna scoot it up real quick. white S10 on the motor. Nah, he gonna come through the side. He finna come through the side. Yeah.
Okay, you gonna come up to the gate? Y'all gonna run?
Yeah.
How much? 200?
And I told him one, man. I'm scared. I don't want to bet. Somebody else gonna bet. Catch some side bets. Catch some side bets. I only got 100, man. Okay, y'all. Here comes some motorcycles. Look out all my people that's watching on TikTok, man. Y'all check out my YouTube channel, Look Out Racing. We live right now. We need about 400 more people to hit 25,000. I got a grudge race coming up. I got a grudge race coming up with an S10 truck. I'm all in. I'm all in, hustler. Yeah. I got my supercharged caprice right here, y'all. Yeah, I'm finna run an S10 truck. It's 3,700 people on TikTok. Hey, all 3,700 of y'all, check this. Cause I ain't gonna be able to have 2 phones. So I'm just letting y'all know, if y'all wanna catch it live, HD. People. Okay. Hey, I got my. Okay. Yeah. Let me. Okay, bet.
In a minute. You can see the camera right now.
Okay. Yeah. Oh, that S10 truck. We need to pull it right there.
Right here.
Yeah. I'm finna. I could have got that fire. Okay. I'm finna get it. Oh, you finna? Okay, I'm gonna park right there. Oh no. Look, he already talking about now. Okay. He finna go get it, y'all. Yeah, he talking about now. Let me go see what he talking about. No, it's not front wheel drive. Hey, I got a grudge race. Let him know. I got a grudge race. He finna go pick. Nah, I can't whoop this Mustang.